Every child in Rhode Island deserves to go to a school that is safe, warm, dry, and equipped for 21st century learning. Modern school buildings are vital to preparing students to succeed in the 21st century workforce and maintaining Rhode Island's educational competitiveness in the region and the country. The quality of school buildings has a direct impact on the ability of teachers to teach and students to learn. And the condition of school buildings impacts not only academic success, but also health outcomes for students and staff. The COVID-19 pandemic has demonstrated even more clearly the importance of factors like high-quality ventilation in schools. As co-chair of the State School Building Task Force, I worked with partners to develop a once-in-a-generation plan to rebuild and modernize Rhode Island school buildings. In just 4 years, our plan has allocated funding to repair or replace more than 180 school buildings, from the new Garden City Elementary School in Cranston to the renovations at Pontigansett High School. These projects have benefited more than 100,000 students annually while creating more than 28,000 upfront jobs. Despite this progress, the job is not done. Thousands of children across Rhode Island still attend schools that are old, unsafe, and poorly equipped. We must continue to prioritize school modernization. That is why I recently announced legislation for a $300 million statewide bond proposal for voters to consider on the 2022 ballot to repair more schools in Rhode Island. This bill includes funding for early childhood education facilities, career and technical facilities, and STEAM facilities, and also proposes new funding for energy efficiency and renewable energy improvements that align with the state's Act on Climate goals, and incentives for school districts to employ local contractors and minority-owned businesses on school construction projects. We are off to a great start, but we must keep going until we finish the job for all Rhode Island students.